and welcome back to another video. Today we're hopping into the 9th episode of the 3rd season of Game of Thrones, The Reigns of Castamere. Last time we had the big wedding at King's Landing between Tyrion and Sansa, and neither of them were happy about it, and no one was happy. And Tyrion, being the awesome guy, said that, you know what, we're not going to screw until you want to. So they did not consummate the marriage, which his dad is not going to be happy about, but I don't care. Like, good for him. Like, he did the right thing, which is awesome, which is why I love him. We also had Daenerys get an additional army with the Second Sons and the gorgeous Dario. He basically said, fuck the other commanders, chopped their heads off, and said, we're yours. She's like, fuck yeah, you are. And then we also had Sam kill a freaking White Walker with the knife, and it was really cool. But like, Sam, you left the knife in the snow. What are we doing, man? Like, you should probably have that on you. You're in the north. You're north of the wall. You should probably have that on you. Because clearly it kills the White Walkers. So, well, let's see what happens there. So, I'm excited to get into this. Season 3 has been one of my favorites so far. So, I'm excited to see what happens now. But, man, the endings, the last 2 seasons, the last couple episodes, towards the ending of seasons has been really intense. And they've been really, really good. So I am excited and scared all at the same time to see how this season unfolds. So if you want to see my full reaction about a season and a half early, you can head on over to my Patreon page. The link is in the description below. By the time this comes out on YouTube, I should probably be towards the end of season 4, beginning of season 5. So yeah. So if you want to wait until it appears on YouTube, awesome. Glad to have you back. Just be sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to help grow the channel because you guys are awesome. Yeah, so I'm ready to get into this. I hope you guys are too. I know Grogu is sitting back there. He's more than ready. So let's get into it. This is the ninth season. Wow. The 9th episode of the 3rd season of Game of Thrones. There we go. This is the Reigns of Castamere. Let's go.
It's dangerous. If we take Tywin's castle from him, the Lords of Westeros will realize he's not invincible.
Why are you telling me?
You begged me not to send Theon to negotiate with his father, and I ignored your advice. Now Winterfell is burnt to the ground. The north is overrun with Ironborn, and Bran and Rickon are gone.
Yeah, not good.
So, Castamere, I'm asking your advice.
Take it. Let's take it.
Enough men?
If Walder Frey cooperates,
That's a big gamble.
If reinforcements arrive from King's Landing, before we take the castle, we'll be caught between Tywin's army and the sea.
It's dangerous, apparently.
we'll lose the war and die the way Father died.
Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Let's go. Let's fucking go, man.
My honored guests,
Okay, so.
be welcome within my walls and at my table.
I have come to make my apologies, my lord, and to beg your forgiveness.
It wasn't me who spurned, it was my girls.
I beg your forgiveness, and pledge to do all I can to make amends, so the Freys of the Crossing and the Starks of Winterfell may once again be friends.
Okay.
Very good. There she is. Let me have a look at you.
No.
I call it a pretty face.
I mean, that's true.
Very pretty. Prettier than this lot, that's for sure.
Well, dang it, man.
Very shapely as well. I bet when you take that dress off, everything stays right where it is. Drop an inch. Your
Oh my god. This guy's unbelievable.
He betrayed me for firm tits and a tight fit.
Oh my god.
And I can respect that. The wine will flow red, the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess
your 2 best men and lead them through the back streets, which I know well, and open the front gates. Then comes the army.
Ah.
The city will fall in hours. Or perhaps you lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter. Cutting the head off our army. You have a very suspicious mind.
Yeah, he has good reason.
You command the Unsullied. What do you think?
Okay.
You leave tonight.
I really hope it is not what he said. Like, I really hope they're not being led to the slaughter.
Other than Castle Black itself, the Night Fort's the perfect castle for us. It leads through the wall, right down into the Night Fort. If one knows how to find it, which just so happens, I do.
How do you know all that?
I read about it.
I read about it in a book.
You know all that from staring at marks on paper.
Yeah.
You're like wizard.
He needs his wand and goes to Hogwarts, right?
Our father used to tell us that no wildling ever looked upon the wall and lived. Here we are.
Aww.
Roads have
Hi.
gone right to hell, haven't they?
Need a hand.
Need about 8 hands.
Oh, well, maybe just the one.
To the twins in time for the wedding.
Oh! Well, damn, man.
Don't kill him.
Dead rats don't squeak.
He did nothing. This guy did nothing.
Don't kill him. Please.
Yeah, what's he gonna do? He barely saw your face for 2 seconds.
You're very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
Yeah, well, not today. Just knock him out again. There you go. This guy's having a bad day, though. He's like, damn, I'm just trying to do my job, man. What's going on? Why am I getting beat up?
Selling horses. He's got some gold in there. And proper steel. Let's call him up. We just take the horses and go. The old man's no threat. Watch my send a few men looking for a horse thief. They'll send a lot more to hunt down murderers. I hope so.
Oh.
Killing crows in a castle is tough. Killing them out in the open. That's what we do.
Shit. God damn it. Why are we killing old people and defenseless people? For no good reason. Just take the horses and go, man. Just knock him out first thing. So he doesn't see any of your faces. So he doesn't know shit. No, no, no. Come on. No, let him go. Let him go. You're so close. Oh my god, you're so close. I love it. Come on.
I'm not afraid.
For sure. You're almost there. And you're afraid you won't make it. I know fear when I see it.
I knew fear when I saw it in you.
Oh.
You're afraid of fire.
Yeah. Do you not see his face?
Flames, you look like a scared little girl. Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and out the back of your skull.
Well, today's not that day.
There's a rider out there.
Oh, the old guy.
There's more.
Oh my god, they're so close.
It's just slender, sweet giant.
Oh my god, John's right there, Shh, Hodor, no, shush.
No more Hodor.
Oh god, no. Shh. Oh. Is he in Hodor?
What did you do? Nothing. What's that?
That's a horse dying.
Oh god. They're so close to John. This is where they're going.
Cut his throat, or he'll tell the crows we're here.
Yeah, because you chased after him.
You understand. Let me stand at least. Let me go with a bit of dignity.
John, see the dogs. See them. Oh my god.
Make the crow kill him.
See the dire wolves.
You're one of us now. Prove it.
Do it.
Told you. He's still one of them.
Yeah, you can't do it. Oh, fuck. You grit.
Crow! He'll stab us in the back first chance he gets.
Yeah, probably. Shit. Yo. Ah. No.
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
There we go. Yes, the wolves. Yes, realize what's going on, man. Realize that the direwolves are your brothers. Oh!
You were right the whole time.
Fuck yeah, let's go. Good, I wanted him to die. He's a fucking ass. Oh! Oh damn, direwolves, direwolves, direwolves. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah!